some reason this lift has an up button. It cannot go up any further. Wow, these are vandalised. And they smell funny. Oh fucking hell, someone's had a little fire in there as well. I forgot where I actually am as well. Which is great if I was stuck. I'm not actually sure what this is. They've replaced the button with a Dewhurst button now. I still don't actually know where this is. This one's got a close button. Oh my god! Floor 1. The other lift there, which has an up button. Oh, it smells of pee in here, which is lovely. No one's had a little bonfire in this one, but these are disgusting. It's probably the mankiest public transport lift I've ever seen. Let's go back out. Just the portal. No, it has got the voice. It does got the voice. I can't believe someone charred the lift. Is that expanding foam? No, it looks like I don't actually want to know what that is, to be honest. Streaming.